All right, Christmas is coming, and what a great opportunity for me to tell you about one of my favorite jewelry companies, Jeulia. They're wonderful. I got myself a couple of really cute pieces for my birthday that I think would make great Christmas gifts. So I thought I'd tell you about them. They generously offered a 20% off discount that I can share with you, and I'll briefly tell you about them because I love them and I think that they would make a great Christmas gift. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. I have been a customer of Jeulia's for almost 4 years. I first saw Taz talk about them. If you follow wig reviewers, then you know who Taz is, and she loved them. So I bought myself some jewelry and I've been a customer ever since. I do partner with them now. I'm an affiliate with them. If you make a purchase, you're supporting my wig ministry, but I truly am a customer of theirs. I buy pieces from them and I absolutely love them. And recently they reached out and let me know that they would be having a Black Friday sale, and if I was interested, they'd give me a coupon code to share. And of course I'm interested because I love them so much. The pieces that I recently got for myself is this necklace right here. Let me get my camera down a little ways so that you can actually see it. It is absolutely stunning. It is so beautiful. And these earrings. Also, if you watch my videos regularly, then you probably see my ring, and this is a Jeulia ring that I wear as my wedding ring. Every day. Let me get my camera back up. Every single day, and it doesn't tarnish, it's not turned my finger green. So I really think they're a wonderful find, and the jewelry looks way more expensive than it is, which is one of the things I love most about them. In addition to wonderful jewelry, they've got traditional jewelry, they've got really unique kind of gothic jewelry. I mean, they kind of have everything. So I'm certain you'd be able to find something for everyone on your gift list if you wanted to, whether it be female or male gifts, because they've got it all. And I have one more thing to tell you guys. So a long time ago now, I discovered magnetic clasps. And I put these on every single piece of my jewelry now because I struggle so much with small little claw clips or lobster clips to get necklaces on. And these are strong. I have yet to have one come off. I've never lost a necklace. They are wonderful. And I have them in silver, gold, and rose gold because I do wear every color of jewelry. So that could be another either great gift for you or for someone else. So in the description box below, I will put my coupon code for Jeulia. I'll link all of the pieces that I've reviewed from them because I've shown quite a few of them. And they were so gracious to put together a link summarizing everything. And I will link my favorite magnetic clasps on Amazon. So hopefully these will give you some ideas for maybe that hard to buy person on your gift list, or something that you can give yourself, because you work hard and you should get something you like too. Thanks for watching, you guys. Let me know if you have questions about them because I really have been a customer for a long time. Otherwise, I'll see you in my next video.